Let's talk about lights. Look at our lights. Don't you love lights? I'm gonna hit on a power run because I'm always hitting on power run. This one here took DJ and I about an hour and 10 minutes to do. It was a $900 job. 800, 900? $900 job. Took us right at an hour and 10 minutes. I haven't counted the bulbs yet. I added a little bit more than what he did. He wasn't gonna do the eyebrows, and I like eyebrows. I think it makes the house look a lot better and more professional. But again, I wanna hit on one thing that I've been hitting on a lot is power wire is coming out from this side of the door here. It's going up the gutter here. It kind of goes all the way to the top, which feeds this whole line and the one behind me. And then it goes on up through there to this first A-frame. And then my power runs up, and then we have a jumper, and now our power runs all the way down through here. And then if you look up here, if you look right up here, it actually jumps over, and that is what feeds the power to this side here. So we have all short extension cords except the very long one, but everything on this side is all powered from the other side of the lights. And so this is how you can power lights. This is how you do it. I will show some time lapse of this house. As we were doing this house, I've time lapsed it, and I also got some video that ran out. But it took us an hour and 10 minutes. We are loaded up and ready to go to the next job. And so this was job 2 today, and we're headed to job 3 today.